Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day.
Hi friends! Today I am so excited to be sharing my cozy Christmas home tour with you, and I hope that it gets you in a cozy, festive, and happy mood, and that it gives you tons of inspiration for Christmas decor if you haven't decorated yet, or if you're just here to watch something that is super happy and festive and cozy. I hope that it does that for you too. So if you want to grab a cup of some hot chocolate or a coffee with Christmassy flavoring in it, just sit back, relax, and enjoy this home tour. And I will be popping in here and there to explain different things, but I'm also just going to let you enjoy it and take it all in with some festive Christmas music. So without further ado, let's get into my Christmas home tour. Hope you enjoy. So this year, my theme is Whimsical Rustic Glam, and I love how everything came together. I feel like everything sort of balances each other out, and I really wanted to have those rustic, kind of earthy type vibes with some wood tones and birch wood, as well as accent it with glittery glam elements, and I kind of topped everything off with a little bit of an Alpine Lodge type of feel. So I feel like I accomplished that, and I really love how everything came together. So this is actually our only Christmas tree for this year. We decided to go with a tiny one because we have 3 crazy cats that make it pretty complicated to keep a full-size Christmas tree up and not damaged, and then them not hurting themselves. So we settled for this little tree for now, and it's a cute little Christmas tree in a basket that I got from Target a couple of years ago, and I used a variety of sparkly and glam ornaments on there, snowflakes and some little glitter balls, as well as some little rustic type ornaments that I got from the dollar spot at Target this year. And this little guy who is at the top of the tree, we call him Gentle Gwen because he's a gentleman penguin, and it's just a funny tradition that my husband and I have, and we've had him for years, so I really wanted to put him on top of the tree because I thought he was so cute and nostalgic. So I love how this little Christmas tree turned out.
What a feeling, now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true, that's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls, I've been kind to big and small, and now it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling when it's time for Christmas. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. I guess that spring and summer, they're all fine, but I've been waiting for the season that's mine. So let it come, yeah, let it come. Snowflakes fall, I can hear the sleigh bells call. They're saying it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling, now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true, that's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls, I've been kind to big and small, and now it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling when it's time for Christmas. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here.
I got this "'Twas the Night Before Christmas" sign this year from Kirkland's, and I just love it. I love the impact that it makes on this big wall here in the dining room, and I had fun hanging these snowy branches with ornaments hanging from them, and everything just looks so sparkly when it catches the light, and I just love how whimsical it all turned out over here. So this little teepee over here is our cat's favorite hangout spot, and I got it off of Etsy. It is the cutest find, and I made it extra cozy for them by putting a little heating pad under it and a faux fur rug that I got from Target, and they seriously love it so much. So I highly recommend this if you have a special little cat or dog in your life, because our cats just love it. So that is going to wrap up my Christmas home tour this year. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a very Merry Christmas and happy holiday season, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!